Hello everyone, welcome to NSN's YouTube channel National Skills Network. Today we are going to meet two students who are the winner and runner-up of Aspirant Welding Engineer Competition 2021 held by Fronius India and Indian Institute of Welding. Aspirant Welding Engineer Competition 2021 was an online exam conducted recently. So without much delay, let's go ahead and hear it in their own words from Mr. Kartikeya and Mr. Janmajay on how did they prepare for the competitions, what are the skills and knowledge they have acquired, and how did the Fronius India Digital Internship Program help them in gaining the right skills and knowledge.
Myself Kartikeya and I am from Perambalur, Tamil Nadu. Presently, I am studying BTech Mechanical Engineering, final year at Shastra Deemed University, Tanjavur. So, Aspirant Welding Engineers Competition, which was conducted by IIW India and Fronius India, which is a great test to my welding knowledge. I previously participated in this competition in 2020 and in 2021 I participated. I performed well and I won this competition. Since my first year, I have been attending classes, seminars, and during the pandemic time, I learned a lot about this field. And I have been given a much practical exposure at Sumeka Welding Institute, Perambalur, where I get hands-on on welding in different processes from SMAW, GMAW, TIG welding, and I can able to weld up to 5G position. Fronius India's Digital Internship Program. Through this program, I have learnt a lot about different emerging technologies and machines and what comes in Industry 4.0, the advanced tech to the market, and they start by explaining the basics and then going up to the advanced level, which is a very much informative. And I want to thank Mr. Devendra Gobji, who helped and who supported from the start of the internship to the end of the internship, who replied all to our doubts and queries at a fast time. So my university enriched great knowledge of about welding field. So in my 5th sem, I got an elective on welding technology where I get so much of knowledge about that field. And I am inspired by Fronius India's tech and developments and their contribution to this field. So the 1-month digital internship program, which helps us to gain so much of knowledge in this field and advanced tech that has been in this field and which is going to come. Industry 4.0 and robotics and all these kinds of things which has been explained. I want to thank Mr. Suresh Kumar of Sumeka Welding Institute and Shastra Deemed to be University and Fronius India for enriching me with the knowledge about this field, which helped so much in winning this competition. Thank you.
So that was Mr. Kartikeyan from Shastra Deemed University, who is the winner of Fronius India Aspirant Welding Engineer Competition 2021. He will be awarded Rs 15,000 cash prize and a certificate. It is interesting to note that he has done the Fronius India Digital Internship Program for about a month. Now let's go ahead and listen to Mr. Janmajay, who is the runner-up of Aspirant Welding Engineer Competition 2021, and he will be awarded Rs 10,000 of cash prize and a certificate. He has done the Fronius India Digital Internship Program for about 2 weeks.
My name is Janmajay Swain. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I am pursuing my BTech degree in Mechanical Engineering at Sibiraman Global University, Bhubaneswar. I got to know about the Aspirant Welding Engineer Exam 2021 from my university. Aspirant Welding Engineer Exam is a great platform for the student to express their vast knowledge of welding and welding technology through the exam. I was being trained from last 2 years in my university for the Aspirant Welding Engineer Exam. I had given Aspirant Welding Engineer Exam 2020, selected in top 10 but disqualified in top 3. The continuous revision of welding technology had gained my confidence and helped me in gaining knowledge for the Aspirant Welding Engineer Exam 2021. I had attended Fronius 2-week digital internship program in July 2021. In those 2 weeks, we learned the new emerging technologies and the new techniques of welding, etc. This training not only helped me in in this competition, but also helped me in my academic major project, which is wire arc additive manufacturing of metals in cold metal transfer. This internship had taught us the cold metal transfer process, which helped me in gaining more knowledge in uh, for my major project. The faculties and the staff member of Fronius India are also friendly and understanding. I am also having a frequent talk with Devendra Gop sir, who is always ready to help me in every situation and always listen to all my queries. In the last, I would like to advise all the students who are interested in welding to take part in the programs conducted by Fronius India and the internship programs which is conducted by Fronius India, which is more helpful for the better future in welding and also to gain more knowledge in welding. Fronius India helped by organizing internship and training programs and sharing their knowledge with the students, as well as my university had also helped me and supported me not only in academic but also in developing skills. The labs are also equipped with latest technologies and the machines are updated versions. So my university and Fronius India both had helped me in this to gain more knowledge in welding and welding technology, which helped me in this exam, Aspirant Welding Engineer exam 2021. Thank you.
So that was Mr. Karthikeyan and Mr. Janmijay for you. If you wish to know more about Fronius Best Welding Engineer Competition and Fronius India Aspirant Welding Engineer Competition 2021 and about other initiatives by Fronius India, please don't forget to check out the links given in the description box below. Before we leave, I would like to remind you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to not miss any such interesting updates in the future.